Hello and welcome back to Review Nerd. Number 3 on our beauty product list is going to be the e.l.f. Recharging Magnetic Beauty Mask. So again, I struggle with acne, everyone wants to take care of themselves, and so I stumbled upon this face mask. It was honestly really cool, the kind of tech. So basically, it comes with this magnetic wand and some plastic wraps to cover it, and then you're gonna put this mask on and you leave it on for about 10-15 minutes, and then you're gonna use this wand to magnetically take it off. Honestly, I loved this product. At first I was a bit scared because I wasn't really sure how it was going to work, but it left my face feeling pretty good. It leaves it very smooth. The point of the magnet is that it's supposed to pull out any impurities from your skin. So overall, I'd give this mask, I'd say an 8 out of 10. Would I buy it again? Maybe. Sure, why not? I mean, it's always good to invest in self-care, so go check it out.